Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable disable calendar time zone override on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on calendar. So tap on calendar in here, should be at the top right here. So tap on calendar, and then we go down and tap on time zone override, and at the top here tap on the time zone override toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Next, tap on the time zone at the bottom, and in here you can put in the city that you want to use. And that's it. So now you can tap on the back key to go back to your calendar settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.